Hey, what's up everybody? Usama here, and in this video we're going to learn how can we purchase and set up domains inside of GoHighLevel. So you've heard that right. We can now purchase and set up domains very seamlessly right inside the platform without leaving it and having to go to different providers like GoDaddy, Namecheap. And this is going to save you a ton of time if you enable this feature inside of your GoHighLevel account. So let's dive into the setup. The first thing you have to do is head over to settings and then scroll all the way down to where it says domains, and then you will see an option to purchase a domain. If you do not see it already, you have to make sure that you head over to agency view for your high-level account, then head over to settings, and then click on company here and scroll down to where it says domain purchase. So make sure that this is enabled. Once it is enabled, it will show up in all these sub accounts. And if you want to customize which sub accounts get access to this feature, you can actually control that by heading over to domain purchase here in the same section on the left. And then here you can see a list of your sub accounts, and you can see we have a toggle button here. So you can disable or enable this feature for specific sub accounts. And if you have a SaaS account with GoHighLevel, you can also enable rebilling. That way you can actually make some money or margins on top of domains that people purchase in the sub accounts. And this will open up a brand new opportunity and revenue stream for you, which is pretty cool. So once these settings are dialed in, I'm going to head back to my sub account here, and then we'll head over to settings here and then click on domains. Then we'll click on purchase a domain here, and here you can type in any domain that you're looking for. You can see some of the features here, like you can control of your domain, 99.99% server time, and you can easily manage DNS records with a single click inside of GoHighLevel. So once you've typed in your domain, just click on search here, press enter, and it will bring up the search results. So you can see here that we have multiple TLD options available. It's not just .com, we have .org, .uk, .info. So there's a whole bunch of options that you can choose from. So once you're happy with these settings, I'm just going to choose this one for now. Agree with the terms and conditions. You can see the price here as well. And then just click on buy. And once your purchase is successful, we can see now that we have an option of purchase domains, and we can see our domain right here. Right now it says setting up your domain, and it can take up to 5 minutes. So just do a quick refresh once you're ready, and we should be able to configure a domain. All right, so I just did a quick refresh, and you can see now that the domain is active. It shows the renewal date as well, and the status is active. And now we can also easily configure it. So if we click on that, it should bring up the DNS records. Of course, it is empty right now, but if you need to add any records for creating subdomains or mapping it with emails or anything like that, you can do that very easily from here. And now to the most fun part. So if you need to connect this domain with any of your funnels or website right inside your GoHighLevel account, we can do that very easily now. So all you have to do is click on connect this domain, because right now this is only under the purchase domain section. You can still connect it to an external website like WordPress, but if you need to connect it with any GoHighLevel funnel website or store or blogs, as you can see on the top, you have to connect it. So we'll just click on continue here. I'm going to enable this option as well, and then we'll click on continue. And this will just take a few seconds in setting up our domain. And you will see that it says your domain is already authorized. So we could find out which records are being added. All we have to do now is click on add records. And within a few seconds, we should have our domain ready to go. And once your domain is connected, you can easily map it to a funnel, website, store, or blog, which you can choose from here. And once you've selected an option, you can link it to a specific funnel. So let's say I want to choose this one, and I want to choose this page. And now all I have to do is click on finish. And now my domain is instantly connected with my funnel, all happening right inside of GoHighLevel. So that was all about this video. I hope you found value in this video. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below, and we'll get back to you.